This client is a US-based news reporting giant who came up with a noble idea of social news reporting. This solution had a multi-technology platform, so it needed sound domain expertise and quality testing. In addition to this, there were several other challenges faced by the client that actually led to a testing and a quality partner. If we look at the key challenges faced by the client, the first one, is the same that I just now talked about, which is multi-technology platform and its testing that needed, domain expertise, technical expertise, and testing expertise. Second challenge was fluid requirement. Third one was exhaustive testing scope, which is covering both functional and non-functional aspect of the product. That also included API testing, web services testing, testing on the various devices. Fourth one was dynamic nature of the product releases. Fifth one was bringing the end user perspective to testing so that eventually customer gets what they were looking for. We at Crestek understood these challenges quickly and came out with a 3-point strategy. First one was setup, second one was the execution, and third one was a guided production. In setup, we initially built up a team of domain experts and test analysts who went through this knowledge transfer process and later established a knowledge management framework to ensure that not only progressively we learn the domain, but we also retain it by creating KT videos, KT documents, etc. We also set up a viable test process framework which was good enough to ensure the QA coverage of the product quality. We broke down this team into core and a flexible team to support the dynamic nature of the product releases. Second strategy was execution, in which we worked with a business team and to understand the requirement, and we also performed the requirement ambiguity testing to have clear, complete and testable requirement. After that, we defined a test strategy based on the end user segmentation and continuously evolve it based on their feedback as well. That actually needed us, to execute this product in the agile mode. We also took help of the domain experts to contribute into the test strategy so that we can provide 100% test coverage. For example, we had a support from CDN experts who guided us how to test various routes to hit the servers. We had automation experts who drafted SOAP UI, cloud-based SOAP UI automation framework. We had a non-functional test specialist who performed cloud-based performance, stress, load, followed by the penetration testing. We have been testing this product from last 1 year. And in Scrum with 15 days sprint cycle, and this product is now at the verge of a worldwide launch. The third strategy was the guided production, in which apart from beta 1 and beta 2 phases, we also had a pre-selected audience who tested this product and shared the end user experience. This actually enabled us to have a guided product which was very close to what the customer was looking for. Now, if you look at the benefits that were passed on to the customer, the first one was, partnering with the client beyond testing issue. That actually helped to improve the quality across all the phases of the SDLC. Second one was reduce test cycle time with the help of a customized regression automation suites. Business continuity for the client and cost optimization by dynamically ramping up and ramping down the team. Cross-platform testing, across 50 odd devices. In fact, during end user testing, the defect leakage was less than 1%, and if you look at the schedule variances, which was less than 2%.